Hello everyone, I hope your holiday went well. This is Stacey with SF Johnson Consulting and Construction Services. And if you don't know who I am, for the past 14 years, I've been the owner and operator of SF Johnson Consulting and Construction Services, where we teach our clients how to complete quality estimates. We're estimators ourselves. We teach OSHA. We teach project management classes in all area of construction. And we just try to make our friends and clients professionals. And so what we also do now, we sell modules that are video modules that show you every step of the way on how to complete a professional estimate. And we also provide a professional Excel formatted sheet made specifically for your trade. We give you access to our cost book, which helps you get accurate material pricing and man-hour totals. And we walk you through every step. So in this one, and we have quite a few, this is an AutoZone, and this is going to be the framing and drywall estimate for the AutoZone. So, you know, what we teach our clients, the floor plan, the view from above, assists you in getting, or with the scale, determining how many linear feet of the wall you have. But you need to be able to navigate from plan view, section view, detail view to find the heights of those walls. And if, like in this case, you have very bad plans, well, then you have to figure out another way to find those heights, because a framer not only needs the length of the walls, but they need the height of the wall. So in this AutoZone framing and drywall module, which is for the framing and drywall, each of the individual trade modules are only $99. So you just send us an email at sfjohnsonconsulting.com. That helps me put more stuff out here, more quality stuff out here. And it also helps me train for free some younger students that are interested in high school, 10th, 11th, and 12th grade in learning. And I do that for free. So this is how we supplement my time for doing that, is to teach you how to be a pro, and you keep these for life. Have any questions? You have online office hours with me. And so we'll go over all the keynotes, what those mean, because nowadays people are really getting plans done by CAD and not necessarily by architects and engineers. And so they may not be the best quality. So I teach you every step of the way what we need to do as far as the framer. We need to look at that floor plan, determine the section view so we can determine the heights. We need to look at the ceiling plan as well to make sure, or to see if we have any ceiling framing. Okay, and so I'm going to show you all that. But this AutoZone, again, we're going to have the complete step 1, step 2, step 3. Step 1 is complete detailed takeoff in video format. Step 2, pricing, man-hour totals. Of course, everything's in video format. And then 3, your professional completed Excel spreadsheet, a completed estimate based on the exact plans, so you can do it yourself. All right, so we hope to see you soon. I'll have a lot of preview videos out here. And please let me know if you have any questions. Join, subscribe, like, join our Patreon channel, join at our website. Lots of ways to join. See you soon.